what if extinction wasn't the end? Imagine walking through a jungle and spotting an animal the world declared dead a century ago. Or sailing into deep oceans only to realize something massive is still hunting below. In today's journey, we'll uncover 7 animals believed to be extinct, yet whispers, sightings, and legends hint they might still roam the earth. From the ghost of Tasmania to the giant of the seas, these creatures could rewrite everything we thought we knew about extinction. Stay with me until the very end, because the last animal on this list might just convince you that nature still holds secrets too wild to imagine. The thylacine, also called the Tasmanian tiger, officially vanished in 1936 when the last known individual died in captivity. Its wolf-like head and tiger-like stripes made it one of the most bizarre predators on Earth. But here's the twist. Reports of thylacines never truly stopped. Farmers in Tasmania whisper of striped shadows slipping into the bush. Photographs surface, blurry, shaky, yet strangely convincing. Even in the Australian mainland, drivers have reported strange canine-like creatures that don't fit any known animal. Could the thylacine be hiding in remote forests, surviving against all odds? Scientists remain skeptical, but each new sighting keeps the legend alive. The Yangtze River dolphin, known as the baiji, was declared functionally extinct in 2006 after pollution, boat traffic, and overfishing devastated its home. For millions of years, this elegant creature thrived in the Yangtze River, and then, in a single human lifetime, we erased it. But eyewitnesses claim otherwise. Fishermen describe pale shadows surfacing briefly before vanishing into the depths. In 2007, a blurry video emerged, something long and pale, slipping beneath the river surface. Was it the ghost of the baiji? Or proof that not all of them are gone? The possibility of rediscovery lingers, haunting conservationists with the question, did we give up too soon? Few extinct animals capture imagination like the woolly mammoth. Science tells us they vanished thousands of years ago, yet in the icy Siberian wilderness, stories persist. Hunters, pilots, even scientists have reported seeing shaggy, elephant-like creatures moving across frozen rivers. Could isolated valleys have sheltered survivors? Genetics is adding fuel to the fire. Researchers are attempting to revive mammoths through DNA, making the line between extinct and living blurrier than ever. Perhaps somewhere in Siberia, the woolly giant never left. The ivory-billed woodpecker was once called the Lord God bird because people would shout those words in awe upon seeing it. Declared extinct after logging destroyed its habitat, it became a symbol of loss. And yet, the bird refuses to die quietly. In Arkansas and Louisiana, researchers still report glimpses of large black and white birds with distinctive wing patterns. Even recordings of unusual calls have sparked heated debates in the scientific world. If the ivory-billed still survives, it is not just a bird, it's hope itself, echoing through the swamps. Now, imagine this. You're out at sea and the water suddenly grows dark. Not from clouds, but from the shadow of something massive. The Megalodon, a shark larger than a bus, supposedly vanished 3.6 million years ago. But whispers persist. Giant teeth wash ashore, far fresher than they should be. Fishermen report colossal shadows trailing their boats. Submarine crews whisper of sonar readings they can't explain. Could Megalodon still roam the depths beyond human reach? Or are these just legends fueled by fear? Either way, the ocean hides its secrets well, and humanity has explored less of the deep sea than the surface of the moon. The Steller's sea cow was discovered in 1741 and gone by 1768. Wiped out in less than 30 years, this giant relative of the manatee, reaching 30 feet in length, once drifted through the icy waters of the North Pacific. Yet rumors linger. Sailors describe massive creatures surfacing near remote islands. Some scientists even suggest that small populations could have survived in areas humans rarely visit. If true, the rediscovery of the sea cow would not just shock biology. It would be a second chance for a species humanity destroyed too quickly. The moho was the only bird family endemic to Hawaii, brilliant, golden, and sacred to Hawaiian culture. Tragically, they were declared extinct, victims of habitat loss and invasive species. But locals whisper of strange bird calls deep within untouched forests. Recordings exist, mysterious notes that do not match any living Hawaiian bird. Could moho still sing in the shadows, hidden from human eyes? Perhaps its extinction is not the end, but a reminder of the fragile balance between life and loss. So, what do you believe? Are these animals gone forever, or are they still hiding, waiting to be rediscovered? From the swamps of America to the frozen tundra of Siberia, nature still holds mysteries far beyond what we understand. And maybe, just maybe, extinction isn't always the end. Which of these creatures do you secretly hope still walks, swims, or flies among us? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, because the next video might just uncover an animal even stranger.